Namaste everyone. Today I'm going to discuss an unique cube root. If a equals to 7 plus 5 square root of 2, find cube root of a. Before I start the question, analyze the problem that how we can find cube root of 7 plus 5 square root of 2. Can cubic identity be the appropriate method? So before I start, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get some more such videos. Now let us see how we can solve it. So in such situation, cubic identity is the best solution. We know the cubic identities are a plus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube, plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and its negative identity is a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So we have to think now that which of these two identities can be the appropriate solution for the unique cube root. So we know that a equals to 7 plus 5 square root of 2. Now we know that before 7 only 1 is the perfect cube number. So split it as 1 plus 6. And second thing, we know that square root of 2 cube equals to 2 square root of 2. Now split 5 square root of 2 as 2 square root of 2, plus sign was there in between, so 2 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2, because 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we have 4 terms, and you know that our cubic identity is also having 4 terms. Now let us see whether we can apply this identity for the question or not. So our first term is 1, can be written as 1 cube. Then second term is 3a square b. So if a is 1, so it can be written as 3 multiplied by 1 square multiplied by square root of 2, which is equals to 3 square root of 2. So our last term in the previous expression was 3 square root of 2. Next is 3ab square. So 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by square root of 2 square. When you will simplify it, 2 square is 4 and square root of 4 is 2, and 3 2s are 6. So 6 is also a term in our previous expression. Then square root of 2 cube, we know already it equals to 2 square root of 2, which is also a term in our previous expression. So now by this numerical expression we got that our 7 plus 5 square root of 2 is equals to a plus b whole cube, where a equals to 1 and b equals to square root of 2. So this can be written as 1 plus square root of 2 cube. Now we have to find out cube root of a, which will be equals to cube root of 1 plus square root of 2 cube. And cube root can be cancelled because cube root means raised to power 1 upon 3 and 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 will be 1. So it will be equals to 1 plus square root of 2, which is your required answer. So remember one thing, in such type of situation, cubic identity is the best method. Use same method to find the cube root of 7 minus 5 square root of 2 and comment your answer. Subscribe my channel. Thank you and keep smiling.